me tell you, the situation at the Ghazipur border is very peaceful, and we just spoke with Rakesh Tikait a couple of minutes back, and Rakesh Tikait very clearly said that they will not be moving towards the national capital, and they will also not be moving towards the state of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. In fact, he said that he had received information of some miscreants trying to make sure that the protest turns violent, because of which he then gave the call of no chakka jam in the state of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. However, he did say that they are ready to stay here on the borders till the 2nd of October if the government does not pay heed to what they have to say. But the authorities are not leaving any stone unturned. There are rows of barricades. Behind these barricades, you can see the police personnel in riot gear. They are here prepared just in case some group from amongst these peaceful protesters wants to move to the national capital. These barricades have been put up here, the police personnel there, and behind these police personnel are rows of barricades. Some cemented barricades have also been put up. The police not wanting to take any chance. They are clearly saying they do not want a repeat of what happened on the 26th of January. However, the protesters at the Ghazipur border are maintaining peaceful protest. Rakesh Tikait himself present on the site to make sure no untoward incident takes place. Back to you, Akshita.
Good to know that things are peaceful, and let's hope it stays that way. Everyone seems to have learned lessons from what really happened, Aishwarya, the last time around on Republic Day, which is why the police officials are not allowing anyone really to move into the national capital. The farmers too, very peaceful. They're saying that they don't want anything to go out of hand. Let me take this across to Tanushree Pandey. She's joining us live from the Delhi-Gurugram border. Tanushree, what's the situation where you're at?
Well, that's right, Akshita. We are right now at the Delhi-Gurugram border, and as you can see, the farmers are sitting here. They are stationed here. They are not willing to enter. They are not. In fact, they told me that we are going to be extremely peaceful. We don't want the repeat of what happened on the 26th of January. That's why we are not going to make an attempt even to move forward from here to the national capital, and we are going to squat here till 3 p.m. till when the Chakka Jam is announced. Now I'll speak to some of the farmer leaders here. Sir, अपना नाम बताएं और मुझे बताएं कौन से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से आप?
मैं गजय सिंह कबलाना और निगम पार्षद गुड़गांव निगम। मैं
निगम पार्षद हैं यहाँ के। तो सर आप लोग सिर्फ इसी जगह पे चक्का जाम कर रहे हैं आज?
हमने तो एक मैसेज देना, चक्का जाम तो भारत सरकार ने कर रखा है, 13 सिक्योरिटी लेयर लगा रखी है। जैसे पाकिस्तान भारत के बॉर्डर पे भी इतनी फेंसिंग नहीं है जितना उन्होंने दिल्ली बॉर्डर पे फेंसिंग लगा रखी है। अच्छा। हमारा तो एक सरकार को चेतावनी है कि 3 घंटे का सांकेतिक सिंबॉलिक एक ये चेतावनी है कि जो तीनों कानून जो आप लेके आए थे इनको वापस लो, क्योंकि
नहीं तो आज आप लोग कोई अटेम्प्ट भी नहीं करना चाहते हैं दिल्ली में एंटर करने का, ये सिर्फ एक सिंबॉलिक प्रोटेस्ट आप लोग?
ये हमेशा डेमोक्रेसी में हमेशा जो आंदोलन की रूपरेखा है, 26 तारीख का भी हमारा बदनाम करने का काम किया है सरकार ने।
अच्छा, और बोल रहे कि 26 तारीख का जो हुआ है आप लोगों में से कोई नहीं?
किसी का नहीं। किसान आंदोलन जितने भी हुए आज तक, और किसान कभी नुकसान नहीं करता, किसान को बदनाम करने का काम किया जाता है। ये सब इन लोगों सरकार के लोग इन्वॉल्व थे उसमें।
सर देखिए, उस दिन का प्रोटेस्ट हो गया, आज का आप बोल रहे हैं सिंबॉलिक प्रोटेस्ट है, आप आगे नहीं बढ़ना चाहेंगे। आपको क्या उम्मीदें हैं आगे आने वाले दिनों में? लगता है सरकार रिपील करेगी इन लॉस को, और आप लोग का क्या और प्लान होगा नेक्स्ट?
बिल्कुल रिपील करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि 80 करोड़ किसान है इस हिंदुस्तान में, और किसान तो एक बार बेचते वक्त रोएगा, कंज्यूमर तो हर बार रोएगा खरीदते वक्त, क्योंकि वो अडानी अंबानी का जब लेवल लगेगा उस आटे पे तो 20 रुपए किलो नहीं, फिर 200 रुपए किलो हो जाएगा वो।
आज आप लोग यहाँ कितने बजे तक बैठेंगे?
यहाँ हमारा 12 से 3 बजे तक का है, और ये जो आप कह रहे हैं कि आगे बढ़ने का, जो हमारे संगठनों की तरफ से जो आदेश आएंगे, और ये लड़ाई आज की नहीं है, ये लंबी लड़ाई रहेगी।
एक सवाल लूंगी सर, और ये सवाल मेरी तरफ से नहीं है, ये जनता भी कभी कभार पूछती है कि हम लोग क्या करें, हम लोग कोलेटरल डैमेज हो जाते हैं, हमको भी बहुत इनकन्वीनियंस होता है, ट्रैफिक जाम लग जाता है, तो हमको भी कभी कभी थोड़ा तकलीफ का सामना करना पड़ता है। आप ऐसे किसान, आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे आम जनता?
कृषि मंत्री कहते हैं कि
जो ट्रैफिक है, आप देख रहे हैं चारों तरफ से सुचारू रूप से, हमारा जो हमने एक ऐलान किया हुआ था चक्का जाम का, जो भी मरीज है या कोई हमारे जो पेशेंट है, एम्बुलेंस है, या किसी को कहीं जरूरी काम पे जाना है, उस सब के लिए हमने खोल रखा है। और जो हालात सरकार ने करे हैं, जो कील डाल दी है, सरकार से पूछो क्वेश्चन कि उन्होंने इस तरह का वहाँ जो कीलें बिछाई है, इस तरह से 11-11 उन्होंने लेयर का तार वहाँ लगा दिया है, जो कि उसमें संविधान के अंदर भी है कि आप नहीं लगा सकते ऐसे अपने लोगों के ऊपर। तो ये हालात सरकार ने ज्यादा पैदा किए।
हालात आप बोल रहे हैं सरकार ने पैदा किया है, आप लोग की वजह से इतना
नहीं, हमारी वजह से नहीं, हमारा शांतिपूर्ण आंदोलन है और ये लंबी लड़ाई लड़ते रहेंगे हम।
इतना तो मैडम चाइना बॉर्डर पे भी नहीं है। किसान एक मतलब अपना खेती वाले
किसान है सर, आप किसान हैं, आप किसानी?
हाँ, मैं किसान हूँ, मैं सोशल वेलफेयर करता हूँ, किसान है, मेरे पास एग्रीकल्चर जमीन है। तो जो किसान खून पसीने से उगाता है, इसने कमाई का उसका एमसी रेट वो 1800 रुपये था, बाजरा जो के 1600 रुपये बिक रहा है। और किसान खून पसीने की कमाई, जब तक हमारा आंदोलन जारी रहेगा तब तक ये तीनों,
जब तक फार्म लॉज नहीं जाते हैं तब तक किसान आंदोलन जारी रहेगा,
लागू रहेगा, जब तक ये तीनों कानून रद्द नहीं हो जाते तब तक
हमारा आंदोलन जारी रहेगा।
So you know Akshita, as you heard from them, and the Indian flag is hoisting here at the back. All the farmers are sitting with the Indian flag, and as you heard from them, Akshita, they are telling me that we are not going to make any attempt to enter the national capital, but we also want to send a message across to the common people that it's not because of us that that inconvenience is being caused, is because of the government that they are being adamant they are not taking the farm laws back, and we are going to sit on the streets of the national capital for months to come until and unless the farm laws are not repealed. But for today, the situation at the border, the Delhi-Gurugram border, is absolutely calm. Things are under control. There is a heavy deployment of security personnel, but the farmers are also very calm, and they are saying it's just a symbolic protest. But we want to request the government to listen to us and take the farm laws back, and unless then we are going to sit on the streets of the of the borders. Akshita, back to you.
And Tanushree, what you're telling us, and what all our reporters really on the ground have been telling us, is that this time around things are very, very peaceful. There's no question of a repeat of what happened on Republic Day, because not just is the police extremely alert, but the farmers are also very consciously ensuring that things remain peaceful, that there's no question of any clashes or tension or chaos. And they've taken it upon themselves to ensure that this entire Chakka Jam remains peaceful. Having said that, a bit of inconvenience for commuters, because several of the crucial national and state highways are closed down right now and will remain like that for the next few hours till about 3 p.m. Tanushree is reporting there from the Delhi-Gurugram border, where in fact you can see that some of the protesting farmers have been seated there on a dharna. Traffic movement being largely restricted also, Tanushree. But also what we're seeing at several of these locations is that the officials, the authorities are leaving nothing to chance. There's massive security at all of these points.
Behind me, there's a heavy deployment, and he'll try and speak to one of the security personnel as well. If I can just take a word from him. See the deployment, see the kind of deployment at the Delhi-Gurugram border, and it's only because of what happened on the 26th of January. So both the parties, the farmers and the security personnel, not leaving any stone unturned to make sure that nothing untoward happen. Sir, आपसे बात कर सकते हैं? सर बात करेंगे? सर कौन ऑथराइज है कोई सर बात करने के लिए? अगर बात कर सकते हैं सर, मुझे बताइए कि कहाँ से ट्रैफिक डाइवर्ट हो रहा है? जैसे ये अगर चक्का जाम है तो ये एरिया तो बंद है, तो ट्रैफिक कहाँ से आपने डाइवर्ट किया दिल्ली के?
ये लोकल रूट है ये जी, आप देख रहे हैं ब्रिज खाली हुआ है, जो दिल्ली जाना चाहते हैं उनका रूट डाइवर्शन करके चला हुआ है। ट्रैफिक स्मूथली हमने चला रखा है, कुछ इन लोगों को समझाया है, बाकी कहीं कोई ब्लॉकेज वाली बात नहीं है कि भाई बॉर्डर ब्लॉक है या कोई ब्लॉक है। कुछ
तो
लोग
मतलब बॉर्डर्स ब्लॉक नहीं है और कोई इनकन्वीनियंस जनता को नहीं हो रही है?
नहीं है, बिल्कुल रूट हमने लगाया हुआ है, पहले से ही हमने इंतजाम किया हुआ था कि किसी बॉर्डर पे कोई जाम ना हो। ये कुछ लोग, ये लोकल रूट है यहाँ पे, इन्होंने ये कुछ लोग बैठे हुए, इनको समझाया भी है, बाकी आम जनता के लिए दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है।
तो ये तो सर बहुत अच्छी बात है कि जो 26 जनवरी को हमने देखा वैसा कोई रिपीट ना हो, तो आप लोग भी पूरा बंदोबस्त इसका बिठाए रखे हैं और फार्मर्स की तरफ से भी पूरा कोऑपरेशन है आज आप लोग को?
देखो, मैं कोऑपरेशन की तो नहीं कहूँगा, लेकिन हमने अपना पूरा सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से पूरा इंतजाम किया हुआ है। हम नहीं चाहते कि किसी प्रकार के कोई दंगा फसाद हो, कोई बातचीत हो, शांतिपूर्ण कर रहे हैं, हम इनको समझा रहे हैं, हम कोशिश करेंगे कि एमिकेबली बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक रहे।
बाकी 3 बजे तक आप कह रहे हैं कि ये लोग बैठे ही रहेंगे, उसके बाद ये एरिया भी क्लियर हो जाएगा?
हाँ, हमारी कोशिश है कि हम 3 से पहले इनको रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि
Tanushree, I'll come back to you. That is an update that Tanushree is getting us from the Delhi-Gurugram border. I'll take this across now to Aishwarya Paliwal, who's reporting from Ghazipur border. Aishwarya, when we talk about what happened just a few weeks back on Republic Day, most of the violence that broke out really in the national capital were because of protesters who came from the Ghazipur border. This time it's because of that internet has been snapped in the area. You've got a lot of barricading there, barbed wire fencing, iron spikes being put in there to ensure there's no movement whatsoever towards the national capital.
Well, definitely, the police is not leaving any stone unturned. They very vividly remember what happened on the 26th of January. And Akshita, you are right. A majority of the farmers who had entered the national capital had come from the Ghazipur border. But today there's a lot of symbolism. You have people who are standing, holding these plants, telling the government that no matter what, we will not move away. And that's what Rakesh Tikait has also told India Today just a couple of minutes back. In fact, a lot of people have now started planting these kind of saplings here. You see the entire road there has been dug up. The police does not want them to go inside, but these farmers are saying they too will start digging up their side, their area, and they will start sowing, they will start farming on these very roads if the government does not pay heed to what they have to say. But today's protest is more of a symbolic protest. It is a protest in which farmer unions are now hoping farmers from across the country will join in. And that is why they have called for this Chakka Jam for the next 2 more hours. Rakesh Tikait very clearly saying nothing is taking place in Uttar Pradesh and in Uttarakhand. However, farmers are present at the Ghazipur border in large numbers, and these are the barricades. This is the kind of preparation which the police has done. They do not want to take any chance. Behind me, you will be able to see the barbed wires back there. The similar kind of things have been done just behind this barricade. You can see the Indian tricolor also there. The police is also trying to send a symbol. On one hand, you have those kind of flags of the farmer leaders there flying, and just a couple of meters away is the Indian flag flying. So that side is the police side and this is the farmer side. So both of them posturing, a lot of posturing taking place and a lot of symbolism also taking place in today's Chakka Jam here at the Ghazipur border, Akshita.
Okay, Aishwarya telling us that it's very peaceful at Ghazipur border. Similarly at Tikri as well as Singhu, the situation is very peaceful. There are a few protests that have broken out. In Bengaluru, we saw things getting slightly tense there as all of the protesters were immediately made to board buses and detained by the police, ensuring that the Bangalore-Hyderabad highway is not closed down. There have been, in fact, Chakka jams that have been reported at the Shambhu border, which is in Delhi, Punjab. And then you also have along several other areas like Mohali, Punjab, the Delhi-Gurugram border, protests that have been reported. But again, all of it very, very peaceful. There's no question of any violence. Everyone's learned their lessons from what happened on Republic Day. Nobody wants that kind of violence to break out. And farmer unions have also made that very, very clear, that this is going to be a very, very peaceful Chakka Jam. The only question is about some inconvenience to commuters, which will continue till 3 p.m. That's when this Chakka Jam, this protest, this symbolic dharna will end. We're slipping into a short break here on India Today. Coming up on the other side,